Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many Samsung dishwasher owners face. The dreaded 7E error code from 2025 models. If your dishwasher is flashing this code and refusing to run, don't panic. It's often an easy fix that you can handle at home. Let's break it down step by step so you can get your dishes clean again in no time. First off, what does the 7E error mean? In Samsung dishwashers, this code typically signals a problem with the water supply system. It could be due to low water pressure, a kinked inlet hose, or even a clogged filter. This error is pretty common in 2025 models, so you're not alone in dealing with it. Before we jump into troubleshooting, a quick safety reminder. Always unplug your dishwasher or turn off the power at the circuit breaker to avoid any electrical hazards. Safety first. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Check your water supply. Ensure that your home's water pressure is adequate. It should be at least 20 psi for the dishwasher to function properly. If your pressure is low, you might need to contact a plumber. Next, inspect the inlet hose. Make sure it's not kinked, twisted, or blocked. Straighten it out if needed and check for any leaks at the connections. If everything looks good there, move on to the filter. Over time, food particles and debris can clog the filter, triggering the 7E error. Locate the filter at the bottom of your dishwasher, remove it, and give it a thorough clean with warm, soapy water. Rinse it well and put it back in place. Once you've done that, reset your dishwasher. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds, or unplug it for a few minutes and plug it back in. Run a test cycle to see if the error clears. If the 7E code persists, it might indicate a more serious issue, like a faulty water inlet valve or sensor. In that case, it's best to call a certified Samsung technician to avoid causing further damage. There you have it, a straightforward guide to tackling the 7E error on your Samsung dishwasher. We hope this helps you get back to hassle-free dishwashing. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home appliance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.